Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and are keeping safe. I'm Tanvi and I'm back with another product review video. I know it's been so long that I have not created any product review video. So I was also excited while uploading this video because product videos are always close to my heart because I am someone who has always suffered skin and hair issues throughout the life, and I don't use like any random product. I am very particular when it comes to my skin and hair because I've been to so many dermats and they have suggested me a few products and a few ingredients, so I always look for those ingredients. So whenever I see any product, I find those ingredients and I think that it is pretty much like effective, so I believe that I should share that product details with you so that it could be of help to you. But if you are suffering from any major skin issue, I would always recommend just visit a dermat first and then only start using any particular product. This was a product that I was eyeing on for so long, and it's a newly launched product by Dr. Sheth's, and I got it from Dr. Sheth's website itself in buy one get one offer, and it was a steal deal for me. So before getting into the video, I would like to request you all to keep on liking and sharing, and those who have come up for the first time on my channel, they can consider subscribing to my channel. They can go and watch my previous videos, and if you think that we could connect, then you can consider subscribing to my channel. And a big thank you to all for liking and sharing and showing your immense love. So please do not forget to like and share in the future as well. And if you think that the content I am creating is relevant to you and it should get more motivation and support, then you could always like and share, and do not forget to subscribe. So now let's get back to the video and talk about this particular product. So today I'm going to talk about Dr. Sheth's Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So this is a newly launched product, I think, and when I was scrolling through the products on this particular website, I came across this product and I thought of giving it a try. I bought two products from this website and they were in like buy one get one offer. So I purchased this one and another one. You can see in the shorts as well. I have uploaded the unboxing video of both of them. So one by one I will be uploading the video because in one video it is not possible to talk about 2-3 products, and it becomes so long, and I think we should talk about one product at a time. So let's talk about this particular product first. So what does it have? Let me tell you. It has Haldi extract, it has 1% hyaluronic acid, it has niacinamide, that is also 1%, it has 0.1% collagen peptide, then it has 1% betaine. I was not having any hyaluronic acid serum yet, so I thought of purchasing it because it has many miraculous ingredients along with it. It is not just pure hyaluronic acid. It has Haldi extract in it, it has ceramides, it has cholesterol, it has fatty acids, it has glycerin. So a person who has dry skin issues, I think, would love this product because my skin is also very problematic. I have a dry skin and I felt that this product can work for you, formulated by a dermatologist. So I always prefer those products that are tested, verified and formulated by a dermatologist, and I read about Dr. Sheth's and I was quite impressed that this brand is owned by a doctor itself, and there's a team of dermats who create their products. So I was highly impressed, and I have already used it, Ceramide and vitamin C moisturizer as well. For that I would be giving you the link for its video. So this was about the ingredients that this product has. Now let's talk about its claims. So it claims that it's a lightweight daily use serums that will deliver intense hydration with a blend of hardworking hydrating heroes that prevent transepidermal water loss by locking in moisture round the clock. Crafted with hyaluronic acid and haldi, this serum fights dullness and dehydration for instantly plump and brighter skin. In addition, betaine and collagen peptide work to smoothen out wrinkles and blemishes by balancing skin hydration. So this is what this product claims, and I like this fact that whatever their particular product does, they mention it on the label of the product. So this is the outer packaging of the product. You can see it comes in a cardboard kind of a box, and it is of white and green color, and I would say that the packaging is quite fine as per the price. It is retailed at $4.99, but I got two products. I'm not sure that this was free or other was free, but I think I paid 500 to 600 rupees, so I paid for that moisturizer and I got this one. Now let's see how this product looks like from inside. Yes, so this is the product. You can see this comes in a glass bottle like this, and it is a dark colored glass bottle, and packaging is again as per the price. I don't expect any fancy packaging, so this is fine for me. I think the product should work for you, not the packaging. So let me show you the consistency of the product. The product consistency is quite runny, the texture is quite runny, and I will be showing you. See, it has a like gel like texture, but it is like quite runny. It easily gets absorbed into your skin. It doesn't sit on the top of your skin. That's the best part about this serum. And now let me show you how I apply it. So this is how I apply this serum. The basic formula is same for all the serum. For applying all the serum, that you have to apply a thin layer over your skin, and you should finish it up with the moisturizer. The last layer should be of moisturizer or any oil, because hyaluronic acid has the tendency to suck the water out of your deeper layers of the skin if it doesn't find moisture in the air. And as we all know that winters are going on, so you should always end up with the layer of a moisturizer. So though this product claims that this contains haldi in it, but I didn't find any haldi particles or any haldi essence in it. Maybe it is there, but I couldn't see it because I didn't find any particles, or I didn't find any yellowish kind of tint in this product. But I trust this brand as they produce only well-researched products, so I don't think that they would make any false claims. But yes, it depends from skin to skin how this product will work for you. So in the beginning only I told you about the ingredients that this product has. So it has turmeric, it has different kind of ceramides. It has ceramides AP, NP and EOP. Then it has cholesterol in it. It has glycerin, it has hyaluronic acid, it has haldi extract. So all these ingredients are miraculous in nature, as few of them are humectants that retain moisture in your skin. Hyaluronic acid is a very popular humectant as it is naturally present in your skin, but if you are lacking in it and if you apply it externally, then it will hold the moisture in your skin and will help you repair your skin. Then it has haldi, it has betaine, it has collagen. So haldi is inflammatory in nature, that if you have any allergies, haldi could help you with that. Then it has betaine and collagen that would help you with the anti-aging thing, that will help you smoothen out your wrinkles and if you are having any sagging on your face. So this was about this product. I found this product quite effective. That is my take on it, because I'm using it for, just like I told you, for 1 to 1.5 weeks I guess, and I'm using it on daily basis. Though sometimes I get that kind of a dry feeling, sometimes because I'm not applying the right moisturizer, because it is imperative to use the correct moisturizer over it, then only it will help you. If you will not apply, then I think hyaluronic acid won't help you much. So I've told you everything about this product. So if you now think that you should use this product and you want to give it a try, then you can purchase it from Dr. Sheth's website, and I think it is available on Amazon also, because it's a newly launched product. It is not available everywhere. I got it in buy one get one offer, so you can check the latest offers that are going on. You can comment in the comment section what did you feel about today's video. I will meet you soon with my next informative video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.